Hi, this is Justin with Woo Ninjas. Today I'll walk you through two plugins that'll make managing your WooCommerce store a breeze. Let's get started. We'll be covering the bulk edit products for WooCommerce plugin, as well as the WooCommerce products bulk import and export plugin. Whether you're looking to quickly edit products in bulk or efficiently import and export your product data, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started.
Welcome to this comprehensive guide on streamlining your WooCommerce product management.
Today we'll be exploring two powerful plugins that will revolutionize how you handle your online store's inventory: the bulk edit products for WooCommerce and the WooCommerce products bulk import and export add-ons. These plugins are designed to save you time and effort in managing your product catalog. First, let's look at the bulk edit products for WooCommerce plugin. After installation, you'll find a new Products Bulk Edit submenu under the main WooCommerce menu. Let's click on it. You can see all your products listed here, ready for editing. To start, let's filter the products we want to edit. Click on the filter icon, and you'll see a wide range of options. You can filter by ID, title, content, price range, stock quantity, and much more. Let's filter for all t-shirts priced between $20 and $30. Now we only see the products matching our criteria. To edit these products, simply click on the cells you want to modify. You can see how quick and easy it is to make bulk changes. The plugin also offers convenient right-click options. You can add variations, duplicate products, or even delete multiple items at once. Now let's dive into the settings of the plugin. These settings give you powerful control over how you manage and edit your products. First, we have the Fields to Edit option. This feature allows you to select specific product fields to focus on. You can choose one or many fields, such as image, SKU, slug, description, short description, gallery, attributes, and many more. This makes it easy to zero in on exactly what you need to edit without getting distracted. Next, we have the Exclude Fields to Edit option. This is the flip side of the previous setting. If you want to edit everything except a few specific fields, you can use this to exclude those fields. The list of fields you can exclude is the same as the Fields to Edit option, giving you maximum flexibility. Moving on, we have the Load Variation setting. This allows you to decide whether you want to include product variations in your bulk editing session. This can be crucial if you're working with variable products. The Order By setting lets you determine how your products are sorted in the editing interface. You can order them by ID, title, price, or SKU. This can be incredibly helpful when you're trying to find specific products or work through your catalog in a systematic way. Complementing the Order By setting, we have the Order option. This simply lets you choose between ascending or descending order. So, for example, you could sort your products from lowest to highest price or alphabetically by title. Lastly, we have the Filter Include Variation toggle. When enabled, this ensures that product variations are included when you apply filters to your product list. This is particularly useful when you need to make changes that affect both parent products and their variations. These settings, when used effectively, can dramatically streamline your product management workflow. By tailoring the editing interface to show exactly what you need, you can save time and reduce errors in your bulk editing process. Remember, you can always adjust these settings as needed for different editing tasks. Don't be afraid to experiment to find the configuration that works best for your specific needs. Now let's explore the WooCommerce Products Bulk Import-Export add-on. After installation, you'll find a new Import-Export submenu under the main Products menu. Let's start by exporting our products. Navigate to the Products tab and use the Bulk Actions drop-down to export. The export will generate an Excel file with all your product data. Click Apply. You now have a spreadsheet of all your product information.
Now, let's look at importing products. Go to the Import tab. First,
Download the import template. Let's walk through the key columns you'll encounter in the import template. This ensures your data is formatted for import. Starting with the basics, we have columns for ID, type, name, and slug. The ID is unique for each product, while the type specifies whether it's a simple product, variable product, or other. The name is your product's full title, and the slug is its URL-friendly version. Next, we have date-related columns, date created and date modified. These help you track when products were added or last updated. The status column determines whether a product is published, draft, or private. Featured and catalog visibility control how prominently your product appears in your store. For product details, you have description and short description. These are crucial for informing your customers about your products. Pricing information is covered by regular price and sale price columns. You can also set sale dates using date on sale from and date on sale to. Inventory management is handled through columns like stock, stock status, and back orders. These help you keep track of your inventory levels and availability. Categories and tags are managed through category IDs and tag IDs. These help organize your products and make them easier for customers to find. Lastly, there are columns for product images. Image ID for the main product image and gallery image IDs for additional images. Fill out the template with your product information. Remember, you don't need to fill out every column for every product. Focus on the ones that are relevant to your specific products and business needs. By understanding these columns, you can efficiently manage your entire product catalog, whether you're adding new items, updating existing ones, or making bulk changes. After import, you can view detailed logs. These logs show you exactly what was imported and any issues that may have occurred. Now let's take a look at the settings page for the WooCommerce Products Bulk Import-Export plugin. First, you'll notice a warning at the top of the page. It says, "Your license key for WooCommerce Products Bulk Import-Export is invalid or expired." If you see this message, you'll need to go to the License tab to enter or update your license key. Moving on to the General Settings tab, we have three main options here. The first option is Publish Products on Import. When enabled, this setting will automatically set imported products to published status. If it's turned off, imported products will be set to pending by default. Next, we have Update Duplicate Products. When enabled, if you import a product with the same title as an existing one, the plugin will update the existing product instead of creating a duplicate. Lastly, we have enabled Debug Logs. This option is particularly important for troubleshooting. When you turn this on, the plugin will generate detailed logs during the import process. As discussed earlier, these logs can be incredibly helpful if you run into any issues. Remember, you won't see any logs until you've actually performed an import with debug logging enabled. So if the logs are empty, try running an import and then check back here. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, don't forget to click the Update Settings button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. That covers the main settings for the WooCommerce Products Bulk Import-Export plugin.
Now that we've explored the features of both the bulk edit products for WooCommerce and the WooCommerce Products Bulk Import-Export plugins, let's talk about some real-world scenarios where these tools can be incredibly useful. Imagine you're running a clothing store and you're preparing for a seasonal sale. You need to update prices for hundreds of items across multiple categories. With the Bulk Edit plugin, you can filter all your summer clothing items and apply a 20% discount in just a few clicks, saving you hours of tedious work. Or perhaps you're expanding your product line and need to add 50 new items at once. Instead of entering each product individually, You can use the bulk import feature to add all these products in one go, complete with descriptions, prices, and categories. For those of you managing large inventories, these plugins are absolute game changers. Let's say you have thousands of products and need to update stock levels after a big shipment arrives. The bulk edit feature allows you to make these updates quickly and accurately, ensuring your inventory is always up to date. Another great use case is when you're migrating your store from another platform to WooCommerce. The bulk import-export plugin makes this process smooth and efficient, allowing you to export your entire product catalog from the old platform and import it into WooCommerce without losing any crucial data. These plugins are also invaluable for multi-channel sellers. If you're selling on multiple platforms, you can use the export feature to keep your product information consistent across all channels, ensuring a unified brand experience for your customers. Remember, efficient product management is key to running a successful online store. By streamlining these processes with our bulk edit and import-export plugins, you're freeing up valuable time to focus on growing your business and serving your customers better.
And that wraps it up for today. With the bulk edit products for WooCommerce plugin, as well as the WooCommerce products bulk import and export plugins, managing your store just got a whole lot easier. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out. Wood Ninjas are always available to help. Thanks for watching.